So this is the revision video for the Relationships 1.5 assessment standard. By the end of this video, you will know the 3 questions that are going to be assessed in that Trig assessment standard, and you will have complete solutions to practice against. Okay, so our first question is sketch the graph of y equals 2 sine x, or x between 0 and 360. So all we have to do is look at the defining features of the equation. The 2 sine x means that I want to draw a graph that is going to go between 2 and negative 2. So taking my line tool, create a set of axes for myself. Okay, and then let's go get my pen. Okay, so 2 sine x means that I want to go as high as 2 and as low as negative 2. Sine x graph starts at 0, goes up the way and then comes back down. So I'm going up to 2, back down, negative 2, and then back to 0. And then my defining points are 0, 180, and 360. And that is all I have to do for 2 marks. Okay, looking at the next question. We want to write the period of the graph y equals 4 cos x. For y equaling cos x has a period of 360 degrees. So that is, you will see one revolution of the graph in 360 degrees. Y equaling cos 4x, let me rub that out. So y equaling cos 4x is going to have a period of 360 divided by 4. So cos 4x is going to have a period of 360 divided by 4, so its period is 90 degrees. It really is as straightforward as that for 1 further mark. If you get those 2 questions correct, you will pass the assessment standard. And then finally, our last question is solve the equation 4 tan x plus 1 equals 0 for x between 0 and 360. Okay, so 4 tan x plus 1 equals 0. Then 4 tan x equals negative 1, and tan x equals negative a quarter. Okay, so now I'm at this stage where I have the trig function equaling a number. That's when I'm going to bring out my cast diagram. Okay, so cast diagram says that I want tan x to be when it is negative, which happens in the sine quadrant and in the cos quadrant. So I'm going to get my related acute angle by doing tan inverse of a quarter, remembering to never ever ever stick that negative in the calculator, and I come out with, as my answer, 14.04. Okay, by applying the rules of both of these quadrants, I actually have that my angle x is 180 minus 14.04 and 360 minus 14.04. Okay, by calculating both of those, I get 165.96 and 345.96, both of those in degrees. And those are my 2 solutions, and that is a 3-mark question. 6 marks in total, 3 marks needed to pass.